Hey guys, today we are gonna make a clock like this with HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Let's start with it. First of all, I want to write div with ID A. Inside of this I want to make another div with ID B. Inside of this I want to make a paragraph with ID. At the first I want to write the date and let's make another paragraph. Clock that shows my clock. Now let's go to JavaScript and set the date and clock. At the first I want to make the date object. Let date equal to new date. After that I want to take the year, date.getYear. After that I want to take the month. After that I want to take the day. And now I want to take the hours, minutes and seconds. And now I want to make the format of my year. At the first it should show the year. At the second it should show the month. At the third it should show the day of the week. After that I want to make a format for my clock. And now let's display this in my HTML page. Document.getElementById. I want to take the first ID for my date. The first ID was date. I want to paste it here and I want to write that in HTML equal to format. I want to copy this and paste it for my clock. I want to change this date into second ID clock. Let's paste it here and change this into clock. Now let's see. Now let's go and add my JavaScript code in my HTML script sources JavaScript. Now let's see. It shows my date and time. Now let's make it that refreshed every second. For this reason I wanna cat this and I wanna make a function update time, and I want to paste it here. I want to add month plus 1 because in JavaScript the date shows or month starts with 0. I want to add 1. Now let's set the interval. And here the first parameter is update time. The second parameter that I wanna write 1000 millisecond. And now let's call our function. Now let's see. Yes, it works. Now let's go to CSS and give some style for this. Let's take the first ID and I want to choose text align into center. After that let's take the second ID and let's take it display inline block. Now let's choose border for this. Let's set the width for this. Let's set border radius. Let's choose font size for this. Let's choose box shadow for this. And this is our clock. It shows the time, it shows the year, month, and day, hour, minute, and second.